Izzy, get up. You can't get up?
I can't.
You can? Help her up, bud. Do you have too much stuff in there, Izzy?
I do.
You have a lot in there?
Yeah.
Oh, she's up. She's using the stroller for support. Can you do it, Izzy?
Can Mama put me back?
Down again.
My bears. My bears.
Yeah. Izzy can't get up again.
Here.
Well, I think you need to take that off, Iz. I'm thinking.
I can carry it.